Today is day 15. Yeah. So what I'm eating is crab. It's just full of the cream of coconut milk. So you don't recognize that this is a crab. So we already opened it and I've eaten some of it already. And as you can see, the aligi. Oh, there's a lot more inside. This is that one. There. Wow. So yeah, today is day 15. Post-operative. I was able to eat now. Without feeling too much pain. But still the right side weakness is still there. Yeah, excuse me if I'm using my hands. While eating just because of this crab. So there's still accumulation in my operative site. I'll show you the picture at the end of this video. And yeah, I just came home from the hospital and I was very hungry. And then the doctor didn't do anything about the fluid accumulation. It's just because I'm already on antibiotics. They said they will just need to keep an eye on it, finish the course of the antibiotics, and then after that we'll see. And they said that the fluids that usually accumulating into that operative site will be absorbed by my body in time. So yeah, let's hope. So update in my face. So my right eye still doesn't blink. I think it does now. My upper eyelid does now. But my eyebrows not responding. No matter how I want the eyebrow to rise up, it doesn't want to. This one, the lower lid, is the one that's literally not responding at all. But let's hope for the best. Yeah. So what? Let's talk about this food na lang, so that it will not make me depressed na. This is the alige. So hard because this one doesn't want to lift itself up. Ginger. So I've had another 1 month leave from home, from work, sorry. I hope in that time frame, everything will go back. I'll try my best to return to my everyday activity, socializing. Not to be depressed about my appearance anymore. Let them judge me like that. But yeah, I won't stop people from judging me. Because yeah, I have to face the reality of this. But being positive, syempre, I need to be brave. I need to face myself. Because I cannot keep on. I cannot keep on hiding. So, yeah. Tomorrow, I'm gonna attend a Christmas party of our life group. Christmas party of our church, Christmas party of the other church. I'll expose myself to other people so that I can gain back my confidence despite my appearance. So sorry to, it's just, so sorry to be crying. It's just that my tears feel like this. Actually, I don't know how to eat crab. It is my husband that usually takes things out here. So yeah, what's ever left in here, I will leave it to him. Because yeah, I don't have the power to smash it. That's why whenever I cook this kind of food, I put many vegetables, and that's where I focus myself to eat. Because really, I'm really lazy on like deboning the seafood. Yeah. Yeah. So where did I bought this crab? I bought this crab in a Chinese store and it's still alive. And it was really huge. So yeah, this is the mukbang of a person who has a right-sided weakness. Keep fighting. I know the Lord is always with me. I trust Him. Everything will be okay. I think my facial swelling has gone down already. Yeah. Huh? I'm trying. Ay, sakit. Ouch. Oh, let's try this one. Let's try. This is how you do it. Okay, so new learning. Michelle pa rin. Ay. I'm really keen on finishing this one. Success. Managed to. That's it. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.